Turn on silent mode on iPhone 16e to avoid interruptions and maintain etiquette in quiet settings or during important tasks. Here's how to do using Action button or from Control Center or Settings. Press and hold on the Action button to turn on silent mode. By default, Action button is set to silent. If it's customized, then change the settings from iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to the Action button, and set silent mode. Now, use Action button to turn on silent mode. Alternatively, we can do it from the Control Center as well. Open the Control Center from the top right corner, use the bell shortcut to turn on silent mode, and tap on again to turn off silent mode. If it's not added to the Control Center, then tap on the plus button at the top left corner and add a control option. Search for silent mode and tap to add it in the Control Center. That's it. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.